Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a what's for dinner number 15 and we're going to go over some meals, and I'm also sharing little critters that were in the backyard at the very same time. I didn't have my camera at the time, but there were 2 crows as well. But look how cute they are. There's bunnies and chipmunks, little birdies, squirrels. They're adorable. Look how cute he is. He's out there like every single day. So I just thought that I would share this with you because I love animals. They are so adorable. So to get started, this is chicken in the crock pot, gravy, broccoli and cheese, real mashed potatoes with gravy, and a croissant. It's so delicious, like Thanksgiving dinner. Fried chicken, croissant, and mashed potatoes with gravy. And more simpler meal is just a burger. This is a ranch burger with fries, seasoned fries on the side. So yummy. And this is an eye of round, a cheddar garlic biscuit, and some shells. And these little pieces of meat are not tender. Do you have any idea on how to make them more tender? Let me know in the comment section. Whole potatoes, green beans, and chicken, and they all cooked in the crock pot with some Italian dressing or Italian seasoning on them, not dressing, seasoning. This is a grilled ham and cheese sandwich, absolutely delicious. Had some chips on the side with this as well. Open face roast beef, just canned beef with the gravy and mashed potatoes and a piece of bread sliced. Cheesy omelet with some ham, because sometimes breakfast is so much better at dinner. Tacos with some nachos on the side, and that's just nacho cheese with some tomatoes on top. I love to eat my nachos like that. Shells, fried potatoes, and barbecue ribs. I feel like every time I fix barbecue ribs, I have to have fried taters. So good. And this is so good. I had some taters we needed to use up, so in the next couple meals I'll have baked potato in them, but I've skinned the potato, put chili on top of it, and put cheese as well. And we had chili cheese baked potato. Delicious. Another skinned baked potato here. Had broccoli with some sprinkled cheese and a minute steak on the side. Absolutely delicious. Easy to do. This is chicken casserole with some green beans and a roe on the side. Once again, very good. Most of these recipes I have videos for, so I will link that in the cards. This is homemade chili. Once again, check the cards in the description box for the In the Kitchen playlist. This is minute steak, which seems to be like the most tender, our favorite like steak right now. It's pretty inexpensive as well, and that is a homemade potato skin. And the last and final meal I have to share with you is pizza casserole and breadstick. And this was absolutely delicious. And this was what's for dinner number 15. I hope it made you hungry. Hopefully you'll check out my In the Kitchen playlist. Stay tuned for more videos like these. And thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this.